Hello friends, my name is Purva Sharma and I am working as an assistant professor of physics at Biani Group of Colleges. Today I am going to discuss about the non-inverting amplifier. In the last section I discussed about inverting amplifier, in which we studied that the input is given from the inverting input, that is from the negative terminal. But in the case of non-inverting amplifier, the input is given from the positive terminal, that is non-inverting input. Input voltage signal is applied to the non-inverting input. In non-inverting amplifier, we give input from the non-inverting terminal, that is positive terminal, and the negative terminal is grounded. Secondly, output gain of the amplifier is positive, since we are giving input from the positive terminal. So the output gain of the non-inverting amplifier is positive, in contrast to the inverting amplifier, which has negative output voltage. Thirdly, feedback. In the case of non-inverting amplifier, the feedback is given to the inverting input, that is negative terminal, via RF R2 voltage divider. Now fourth point is gain. Now what is the gain of the non-inverting amplifier? In the case of inverting amplifier, the gain was given by minus RF over R2, because we were giving input from the negative terminal. But in the case of non-inverting amplifier, since we are giving input from the positive terminal, so the gain will be positive. And gain of non-inverting amplifier is given by V output over V input is equals to 1 plus RF over R2. So if we see from this equation that gain of the non-inverting amplifier is always greater than 1 and it is always positive. If RF is equals to 0, if feedback resistance is 0, then gain will be always equals to 1, that is unity. And if R2 is equals to 0, then gain will always be equals to infinite. Because RF अगर 0 हो जाएगा तो जो हमारा गेन है वो कितना हो जाएगा, ये वाली क्वांटिटी बच जाएगी, ये क्वांटिटी बिल्कुल क्या हो जाएगी, 0 के इक्वल हो जाएगी और ये 1 बच जाएगी. अगर हमारा गेन, अगर हमारा R2 0 हो जाता है तो AV क्या हो जाएगा, हमारा इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज एनीथिंग डिवाइडेड बाय 0 इज इक्वल्स टू इनफाइनाइट. And one thing is also there, that in case of non-inverting amplifier, output will be in phase with the input voltage. In the case of inverting amplifier, output जो होता है वो out of phase हो जाता है. अगर input हमारा ऐसा है inverting amplifier के केस में, तो जो हमारा output आ रहा था वो out of phase हो रहा था, invert हो रहा था. But in the case of non-inverting amplifier, if it is our input voltage, then the output voltage will be like this. Thank you and thank you.